Hello kids, welcome to Kids Learn. Hey kids, let's learn about community helpers. Community. Community is a place where we live, work and play. What is community helpers? They are people in our surrounding who helps us every day. Baker. Baker works at bakery. He bakes cakes, breads and pizzas. Barber. Barber works at hair salon. He gives us haircut and hairstyle. Carpenter. Carpenter makes furniture out of wood such as door, bed, table, chair, etc. Chef. Chef is a person who cooks food in restaurants. He can cook variety of food. Cobbler. Cobbler makes new shoes and sandals of different sizes and colors. He also repairs old shoes. Dentist. Dentist cleans germs and fix cavities in our teeth. He helps us to keep our teeth healthy. Doctor. Doctor works at hospital. He treats sick and injured people. Driver. Driver works in school. He drives us to school and back. Electrician. Electrician installs electrical equipments for us such as fan, lamp, TV, etc. Engineer. He designs and makes machines. He also designs roads, canals and bridges so that we can travel easily from one place to other. Farmer. Farmer works in a farm. He grows vegetables, fruits and grains for us to eat. He also takes care of farm animals. Firefighter. Firefighter works at fire station. He puts out fire and saves people. Gardener. Gardener works in garden. He grows plants and water them. Journalist. Journalist works for a news channel. They update us with news from all over the world. Lawyer. Lawyer advise people in legal matters. Mason. He builds walls at the site of construction with the help of bricks and cement. Milkman. Milkman works at dairy. He delivers milk to our home. Nurse. Nurse works in a hospital. She takes care of sick people. Physical therapist. Physical therapist treats pain and weakness with exercise and electrical modalities. Pilot. Pilot works with airlines. He flies the airplane and take passengers from one place to other. Plumber. He fixes new and leaking pipes and taps. Policeman. He works in a police station. He keeps us safe from thieves. Postman. He works at post office. He delivers letters to our home. Soldier. Soldier works in army. He protects country from enemies. Sweeper. Sweeper cleans our surroundings and keep our city clean. Tailor. Tailor stitches new clothes for us. Teacher. Teacher works in school. She teaches us how to read and write. Traffic police. They helps people to be safe on roads. Hey kids, thanks for watching Kids Learn. Please like, share and subscribe. See you.